Hello. How you doing? A bit of a curveball. I've actually bought it's a bag of nails. Hopefully I don't upset it by speaking about it while we're driving it home, but there's no clutch pedal. The horn sounds terrible. It sounds like it's found in the bottom of the ocean, then dried out, and then put in a swamp, and then dried out, and then fitted in here. The ABS lights just come on. I'm doing about 60 miles an hour on the motorway and I'm scared to overtake a lorry. I've had to bleed the clutch before we even left his house. I've got Sleepy behind me, bless his cotton socks, because I managed to rope him in to take me to go and get, let's go and get a Honda, man, you know, it'd be fun back in the day, yeah, all the Vtec, all the fun.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I ain't a kid anymore. What am I doing? The radio doesn't work. I have to hit the dash for the lights to come on so I can see what's what, because I don't know. The sunroof sticks. It says give it a bang and it'll work. It's got half a tank of fuel, but I don't trust that. But overall, I'm really happy. I've got myself a little Honda EG, and let's be honest, they're getting rare to find. There's some rear arches that have been beautifully repaired with fiberglass, or maybe timber, because there's wood screws holding the side skirts on. But you know, we've all got to start somewhere. My S15 wore roses when I brought it, let's be honest. But yeah, we're on the way home, nice hour or so drive, and then all being well, we'll tune in when we get back to the garage, depending on how late it is. I might actually record tomorrow because it's going to be pitch black by the time we get home. I don't even know how this lighting, let me see if I can, okay, that doesn't work. So yeah, I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you later. I don't know how much of that you got, but I ain't gonna lie, the lightning was pretty damn cool. Might be a bit dark in here. Luckily we're not going the way of the storm, so we might not get wet. Did you see that there then? The trees are in the way now. Anyway, I'm going to continue my journey. Good morning. Hey! As you know, you've seen last night, I got a Civic EG ESI 1.6 D series Vtec 12/16 valve. The changeover is non-existent, but here she is. There's not really a good angle to get this from. We know it's 25 years old. We have a logbook, don't worry. I don't know what to say. I'm going to have a walk around. It's not the best. This lovely bodywork. It's amazing. But it's alright. Don't worry about the fender. We have another one. in Kawasaki green. Oh yeah. Beautiful repair. Absolutely faultless. Amazing repair. Literally a 12 out of 10 job, that is. As we seen last night, it's manual. It's a Honda. It has a rev counter. Supposedly it hits Vtec. The clutch pedal, let's have a look at that. Now, it might lie to me, but I've got a good feeling it's going to do what it did last night. What's that mean? Is it broke? Oh, look, we have a sunroof. It's got a bit of rust. It's you know when people say there's a 10p size of rust? Mine's more like a £50 note. I ain't worried. Boom! Oh yes! Here we are. D16z6. They say this is the one you turbo. But who am I to judge? NA all the way? K is the way? Or boost we shall go? Who knows? I'm missing a bonnet today. The battery looks like it's the wrong size. Oh, it's got a subwoofer. That's not attached. Way! Because it ain't got a sub. The head unit don't even work. Vtec. This is very shiny. I like this. So I had to put a little bit of oil in. As you can see, I had to bleed the brake. No, I had to bleed the clutch line. As you can see from the excess liquid. 2 scenarios. 3 scenarios. Master cylinders faulty. Slave cylinders faulty. The line from the reservoir to the master cylinder is leaking and getting air in. Or the fork's bent. Or the pressure plate's no good on the clutch. To be fair, there's 100 scenarios. My first thing is to look into that to find out exactly what's going on. We've got a Honda Civic. EG. Okay, let's give you a bit of a backstory. My first Honda was a Honda Civic EG 1.3 Marlin. Truly amazing. I've had EKs, coupes, hatches, EP3s, DC5s, a bunch. EK9, SIR. But I've always wanted to go back to the original car I had, which was an EG. And my plan was to always boost it, because there was no Kswaps back then. It wasn't even on the table. But now it's on the table. We've already got the EP3, which is already a K series, K20, which is just daily, and it's a shame to break that car to put it into here. But what I'm thinking first of all is, I might boost this, and then wait for it to blow up, and then Kswap it. It really depends on what's going on with the engine and box. But first of all, we need to make it look a little bit better. I don't know whether to fix all of the rust, replace the sunroof, get the engine healthy, then turbo it, or just leave it the way it is and rag the hell out of it. But the plan is to have a little bit of fun with this, because the S15's always going to need work. But I'm really happy with it. It is a bag of nails, and it's going to need a lot of work. and prices on these are just getting expensive and expensive. I didn't exactly pay for cheap for this rust bucket, but I thought it was a time to sort of bite the bullet and get one in. And here we are, and you're with me on the journey, wherever that may take us. And actually I have no idea, I just wanted, so I bought. So while I got you, and I don't forget, I've already got the first modification. You know we've got to do it. The lovely teal CUTLOOSE logo. It's the very last one, and I've saved it for myself. Hopefully I'm not cursing myself with a teal curse like the Auto Factory boys have. But hey, I'm happy. You know you like it. You do really. It's a bit of a nail. It's nice.